viewers, welcome back to the channel. One smart quiet afternoon, the lay an old pair of denim jeans faded in color, torn at the edges, forgotten at the back of cupboard. The once walked through sunny streets, felt the laughter of joyful days, and carried memories stitched deep into their thread. But time passed, and they were replaced by something new. Most people would throw them away, but today we choose to see differently because creativity begins where others see waste. As the scissors gently touch the denim, there's no sadness, only hope. Every cut is careful, every piece respected, because this fabric once had life and now it is ready for a second one. Old denim is strong, full of texture and rich in character. Just like us, it's become more beautiful when shaped with love. With needle and thread, we don't just stitch cloth, we stitch patience. Each seam whispers a story, each fold brings a new purpose. A pocket becomes a holder, a legs turn into flower vase, a wrap small scrap transform into roses, bows, or rustic wall decor. Nothing is wasted, every piece matters. A denim basket for your table, a soft wall hanging of a cozy corner, a candle holder through glow through blue thread. There's not just decor, this is handmade warmth. Where placed in your home, it does not shout luxury. It softly speaks of care, creativity, and soul. In a world that runs fast, this craft reminds us to slow down, to reuse, to recycle, to respect what we already have. Old denim teaches us something powerful. The beauty does not need to be a new, it needs to be noticed. By transforming old jeans, we reduce waste, save money, and protect our planet. The simple act of crafting is a small step toward a decor kind world, and the best part, anyone can do it. No expensive tool, no perfections, no skill, just imagine and heart. As we place the finished denim craft in our home corner, it feels different. It carries memories, it carries effort, it carries love. There's not something bought from a store. This is something made by hand, and that make it priceless. So next time when you find old denim laying around, don't throw it away. Just pause, imagine, create. Because every old thing has the potential to become something beautiful again. So in this video, I'm sharing you most amazing and beautiful handmade crafting ideas and design, totally DIY. We hope you like it and apply at your home. If you are new to our channel, so please must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates, and also visit my channel for decor your home on upcoming New Year holidays. You can decor your every corner, every part of your home with your handmade crafting ideas and designs, your own creation. If you like this video, so please share this video with your friends and family and post your valuable comments and your thoughts. I really appreciate your support. So keep watching my channel, keep supporting me. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and amazing new year ahead. Hope you enjoy. God bless you all. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Once upon a